What's up guys, this is Michael and welcome to Naked Crypto. Here on Naked Crypto, I show you what coins to buy, when to buy, hold and sell. So check out these picks guys. Every day I make a video on Bitcoin, Ethereum and the rest of the altcoins. You can check my playlist. So I categorize it on by month. You can also join my group for free. Let's go to the very bottom. So anyway, here on Naked Crypto Group, I put some news like AMC Boss is now accepting Shiba Inu and Dogecoin for AMC. And Crypto Index, I posted this one last November 14th that we are going for a ABC correction. Doge Dash, actually Doge Dash is already on. This is a Super Mario inspired play to earn game. I put some Elon Doge. Solana, I said it's going for a ABC correction. Solana correction coming. So crypto index update. Shiba. So AMC soon will be accepted at AMC chatters. Handshake, kopen handle, and bullish pennant. And of course my YouTube channel here. Doge Elon, Bitcoin, Matic, AVAX. I put a sell signal here that it will go for ABC correction. Ethereum, ABC correction. And it starts dropping. CRO, go for a correction because we're already on the fifth wave. There's a start of pop of handshake. Solana, inverted head and shoulders pattern, but this one didn't play it out, so we are still looking for the ABC correction. Shiba on bullish flag or descending channel. Matic, you see the pop now. Theta, Solana, Ethereum, expecting an ABC correction. Solana, we have a break here. There's a break of Shiba Inu. Dogecoin on bullish pennant. CRO, exactly what I predicted. Matic is keep on rising. Handshake, target has been reached. Some news. CRO keep on dropping. This one, Mark Zuckerberg's sister, she's on Doge, Shiba, Elon, and SHIB EGF. And there you go, guys. Exactly what we predicted. Crypto index will go for ABC correction. Gala, possible buy areas from 0.618 to 0.886. There you go, Ethereum, exactly what we predicted. ABC correction is now complete. Now we are looking for 5 waves to the upside. And yeah, somebody comment here, guys. So he said, good morning, sir. Are you teaching how to trade? Thank you. And I said here, there is no demand yet. But yes, I can do a tutorial. And I posted this one for newbies. Anybody interested for a trading and investing course? I need a limit of 10 people to get started. Comment down below. So guys, if you want a course, comment down below. I only need 10 people. Okay guys, join my group. While still free, I might change my mind for a paid group. So Bitcoin in the monthly chart, I see we are on a ascending channel. So just to be aware, guys, this is a bearish pattern, but this is on the monthly chart though, guys. So I'm still expecting the price somewhere at 200k. You never know, guys. Our bearish scenario, we already on the fifth wave. That would be our bearish scenario. As you can see, guys, touch 1, touch 2, touch 3. So on the at the top, touch 1, touch 2, touch 3, possible touch 3. That's why the fifth wave is right there. So another chart, guys. This could be our wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So we are now on the wave 5, fifth wave. So if we zoom in, this could be our wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. I'm expecting somewhere here 200k to touch the, because we have touch 1, 2, touch 2, because this one is also ascending channel here, guys. So this one is, we have touch 1 here, touch 2, touch 3, several touches here, and we have the touch 1, touch 2. So I'm expecting another pop here somewhere at 200k, 100k, you never know. That's why my expectation. But just to be aware, guys, this is a bearish pattern, ascending channel. So if this one is the fifth wave is here, so after that we'll go for ABC correction. But as I mentioned, fifth wave could also be here. It's called truncated fifth wave. So after that, our ABC correction should be here. Because of truncated fifth wave, we are now going to see ABC correction. That will be our bearish scenario. So if not, if the fifth wave is here, then that will be our bullish scenario, guys. So just be careful, guys. And on the daily chart, I was expecting wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 supposed to be here, and wave 4 should be here. Unfortunately, last Saturday we have a crash, a drop on Bitcoin drop. So the wave 4 overlapped the wave 1. This is technically incorrect, so I moved the wave 3 here and possibly wave 4 here. So let's see, guys, if this one will play it out. Then after that we see wave 5 here. So that would be our bullish scenario. Our bearish scenario to go, though, just to be aware, guys, this is a bearish pattern, ascending channel. So you never know, guys, this might be a drop here. Just touch the like a trend line here and go for a drop. So just be careful, guys. If Bitcoin drops, most altcoins will drop because they are correlated to each other. Ethereum, we projected perfectly, guys. We have this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. This was a bearish pattern, ascending channel, and we projected the ABC correction, and it did. It worked perfectly. Now, are we looking for 5 waves to the upside? Similar to Solana, we projected wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and we projected the ABC correction, and it did. I put a buy signal here, and now are we looking for 5 waves to the upside? AVAX, we have this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and yeah, just to be aware, guys, the wave 4 overlap the wave 1. This is technically incorrect, but it worked. So we are on this ascending channel, which is a bearish pattern, and I put a sell signal here because it's already on the fifth wave, and we dropped. So this could be our ABC correction here. Are we going to see 5 waves to the upside, or we might see more drop and go for a bigger ABC correction? Dogecoin, we projected somewhere at 18 cents Dogecoin, but actually it went down to somewhere at 13 cents, for 13 cents. Not really great for Dogecoin. Shiba, we're still bullish. Yeah, I'm still expecting the drop. This one looks like a bullish flag here, but our Fibonacci, it could be the buy here is already done, 0.618, but if not, we might still see the price somewhere here, 0.786 or 0.866. CRO still dropping. We could have this ABC correction here because this one is ascending expanding wedge. This is a bearish pattern, that's why I predicted a drop. And of course we are on the fifth wave, so it dropped here. So we might see ABC correction, something like that. Let's see guys, let's monitor the price. Floki, I'm still bullish. FLM, maybe it's on a triangle. Actually it could go up or it could go down, because this one is from here. So yeah guys, we are on the C. Let's see D and E, completion of D and E. So let's see guys, up or down, I'm not really sure. Amp looks like making another triangle here, so eventually it will pop up. Let's see. Cadena is here, so will it hold the trend line here, go up, or if not it will go down? So right now, currently right here, data went down here. Not really great. Okay, let's see. Oh, still good. Data is still good. Touch here, 2 touch and 3 touch. So let's see guys, if this one still will play it out for theta. Still on a bullish pennant. But sometimes guys, that the problem with the pennant, sometimes it's converted into a bullish flag, but still bullish. Telcoin still on triangle here. IOTX, it dropped. I'm still bullish for IOTX. Hot, as I mentioned yesterday, it just created a wick and the price is back on this descending channel. We might see the price, eventually the price will go up. One, yeah, it dropped. Looks like on a descending expanding wedge. Still bullish pattern. The megaphone pattern still bullish. Axie, it dropped but going up again. So yeah, we're still neutral on the Axie Infinity. Chili's, no, it ruined my count. Let's remove the elliotewave because it's technically incorrect now. But we're still on a bullish pattern, descending channel. So actually it came from this triangle here, or bullish pennant. So let's see guys. Algorand just doing sideways, but if you're trading though, the safest target was the top of the flag, so the target has been reached. Total market cap, in handle, we went up. Right now though, we do have a bullish flag, so eventually it will pop up. Total market 2 excluding Bitcoin, similar bullish flag. Total market 3 excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Looks like we have a ABC correction, and after that we go see 5 waves to the upside. And Bitcoin dominance, as we projected that Bitcoin dominance will drop. So if Bitcoin dominance drops, it means altcoin season, but also creating a bullish descending channel though. So just to be aware guys, this is a bullish pattern. we want Bitcoin dominance to drop because it's altcoin season, but looks like this one is a bullish pattern for Bitcoin dominance. Check the Ethereum dominance then. So Ethereum dominance is actually possible formation of cup and handle, so it's actually strong. So possibly after that we see a formation of a handle, possibly. Let's see and go up. So Ethereum versus Bitcoin, actually I traded this one before. It went from the triangle, it went up. We have this bullish flag. Actually I sold here, and it created a ascending channel here, and I predicted a pop here. Then we have this, it's already in the all-time high. So let's see guys, let's find yeah, you can also follow my trades here on TradingView. So I posted the AVAX. See, AVAX, Dogecoin, look at that. We're projecting, as I mentioned, we're projecting so we're projecting 12. Actually, I posted this one. We're projecting 12 cents, and it dropped 12 cents for Dogecoin. I think it was rich. AVAX, see, AVAX it's not even on the fifth wave, and on the fifth wave I put a sell signal. And this one, Ethereum Correction, here you go, guys. So I predicted the pop here. Boom, just like magic, guys. Actually here, boom, I actually sold on this, on top of here. I said here September 2, I closed my position. There was a resistance. Said here, this guy said it did. Yes, thanks. So just close my position. There was a resistance. Boom, I sold it at the top. So the resistance was here, somewhere here. That's why I sold it. So guys, if you find this video valuable, give me a thumbs up. And yes, of course, if you have cryptocurrency you want me to add, just comment down below and I'll do the technical analysis for free, because I love you guys. Take care. I love you. Trade safe. Bye bye.